Hey everyone, it's Stefan, and today's video log was actually going to be about sports. However, today something else happened which I thought I'd tell you about. There was an earthquake on the east coast of the United States of America, in Virginia, which is only a little bit away from where I live. So we felt it quite strongly here. At first I was like, man, this is awesome, an earthquake. But then I had to do some errands today, and driving was horrible. Traffic lights were out. There were police cars everywhere where old people had fallen. So just wanted to know, have any of you ever been in an earthquake? Have any of you felt the earthquake today in the United States? If so, tell me where you guys are. I'd be interested to know how far you could feel the earthquake. That's all for now. I'll talk to you soon with my sports rant, I guess. See you then. Goodbye.